Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS new white GeForce RTX 4070 Ti from TUF Gaming series. So friend, ASUS has announced the introduction of a new white GeForce RTX 4070 Ti graphics card to its product line, and the model officially tilted ASUS TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 Ti White OC Edition 12GB GDDR6X. Model number is TUF RTX 4070 Ti O12G White Gaming, and it is a recent addition to TUF Gaming series known for its emphasis on durability and performance. And the model features a robust construction including a high-quality die-cast cover and aluminum backplate to prevent board distortion, and it incorporates triple fan cooling system utilizing double ball bearing fans which offers a lifespan-wise set of common sleeve bearing. Additionally, the card includes a 20 GB capacitor capable of enduring 20,000 hours in environments up to 105 degrees Celsius and utilizes auto extreme technology for efficient soldering process. And friend, in terms of technical specification, the card boasts 7680 CUDA ports with a push clock of 2730 MHz in default mode and 2760 MHz in OC mode, and it offers a memory speed of 21 Gbps, memory burst width of 192 bit, and it is equipped with GDDR6X 12GB video memory. And the output interface includes HDMI 2.1x2 and DisplayPort 1.4x3 supporting up to 4 screens seamlessly. And the card's bus interface is compatible with PCI Express 4.0x16 standard, and it requires 16-pin auxiliary power connector. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.